Hello, St Andrews. Welcome back to another singing assembly. We are going to get started straight away today, and I am so excited for today because Remembrance is now over, and can I just say it was a beautiful service. You did our school extremely proud, so well done. However, now that Remembrance is over, now that Halloween is over, autumn is quite over, we're kind of going into winter now, it means that I get to start doing Christmas music, which honestly makes me the happiest teacher alive. Honestly, you have no idea how happy it makes me that we are doing Christmas songs. So, hopefully the lyrics are coming on your screen. Being very slow. Here we go. So we are going to start with It Was on a Starry Night. Now, hopefully you all know this one quite well. Younger ones down in reception, you may not have heard it, but do not panic. We are going to go through it line by line like we always do. Now, I'm just going to play the backing track, so it's got no words on it, just to remind you of the tune to see if you can remember it. So that might have jogged your memory a little bit about how this song goes. So we're going to get started straight away. My turn, your turn, one line at a time. Older ones, I do apologise. I know you know this one quite well, but it's never a bad thing going over it again. So my turn, your turn, here we go. It was on a starry night. When the hills were bright. Earth lay sleeping, sleeping calm and still. Then in a cattle shed, in a manger bed, a boy was born, King of all the world. Good start. Now we're going to do 2 lines at a time this time. So my turn, your turn. It was on a starry night when the hills were bright. Earth lay sleeping, sleeping calm and still. Then in a cattle shed, in a manger bed, a boy was born, King of all the world. Good, well done. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to put it all together without the music to start off with, and then we will put it to the music. So I'll tap the beat along as I usually do, and just do as much as you can. So sitting up nice and straight, here we go. And it was on a starry night when the hills were bright. Earth lay sleeping, sleeping calm and still. Then in a cattle shed, in a manger bed, a boy was born, King of all the world. Good. Now, this time, I'm going to tap and I'll start you off, but then you've got to sing it on your own without the music, just me tapping for the rest of the verse. So here we go. Ready? And it was on a starry night. Good. I mean, I can't hear you, obviously, but I'm going to say you did amazingly. So this time we are going to put it to the music. So sitting up nice and straight, just the first verse. Let's give it a go. Ready? It was on a summer morning. Well done. I apologise for my actions then. I was hoping it would help you a little bit, but I don't actually know if it did. So we are now going to go on to the chorus, okay? Now, this can go quite high, so you're going to have to help me today because I'm just about getting over this weird cold thing that I've had. So bear with me, but you'll absolutely smash it. So my turn, your turn. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. For a boy was born, King of all the world. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. For a boy was born, King of all the world. Good, excuse me. Now, we are now going to do that 2 lines at a time, bar the middle one, which is kind of 2 lines put into one. Follow my lead. You'll be absolutely fine. Here we go. 2 lines. Let's go. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. For a boy was born, King of all the world. Let's repeat it, my turn, your turn. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. For a boy was born, King of all the world. Good. Now we're going to sing that all together, the whole way through that chorus without the music. Then we will put it to the music. So sitting up straight, here we go. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven rang for him. For a boy was born, King of all the world. On your own. And all the angels sang for him. The bells of heaven Good, well done. Now we are going to put the chorus to the music and then we will put the whole song together. So I'm just going to take it back a little bit. Here we go. Listen. Here we go, ready? And all the angels sang for him, the bells of heaven for him, the boy was born, King of all the world. And all the angels sang for him. Bit louder. Good. Now, what we are going to do now is we are going to take it right back to the beginning and we're going to sing that verse and the chorus all together. So here we go. Ready? It was on a starry night when the hills were cold, all faces pale, sinking on snow. Then in a straight in, and all the angels amazing. Now, this time, I think you know what I'm going to say. Sevach. And we will do it standing up just to finish off assembly because this has made me super happy because it's our first Christmas song of 2021. Yay! Here we go. Ready? Ready? It was all amazing. Well done, St Andrews. I'm super, super proud of you. Again, I can't stop the actions. I've tried so hard not to do the actions, but I can't help it. This pretty much sums up how I'm going to be for the next few weeks because I love Christmas songs. So they will be coming in thick and fast now, which I am super duper excited about. But anyway, have a lovely, lovely Wednesday and I shall see you all very soon and look forward to singing assembly next week. Taboki!